Welcome to Changsha. This is the capital of Hunan Province. Changsha has a long history of over 3,000 years, having historical treasures such as the millennium-old Yuelu Academy. It is a charming city that blends historical culture with modernity. Changsha is bustling with traffic and lively. Modern skyscrapers stand tall and towering. Yuelu Mountain with beautiful scenery and profound culture. The world's largest inland island, Orange Island. It is a mountain and water island city on both sides of a river. The subway network is well connected, making travel extremely convenient. The lively nightlife and thriving entertainment industry have added to its charm. Known as the capital of world media art, this is a paradise for food lovers. Whether exploring history or enjoying modern pleasures, Changsha is worth your visit.